Doug, you have a question?
Yeah, I was wondering what kind of dinosaurs produce the most soft tissue? Is it big ones or little ones or different types, location, area where they're at, or where do you find it most?
Well, there are typical soils that do produce more of the sandy soils, do produce better fossils, better soft tissue because they believe that the moisture has been wicked away by the sandy soil. So certainly sandy soils. Right here, though, in Texas, you've got the Permian red beds. And the Permian is very old. And I'm not going to say a lot about it, but I can tell you it's better than what you're seeing here today. So we can't wait to get that going. But no, in answer to your question, it's ubiquitous. I predicted back in 2013, and a lot of people laughed at me, that soft tissue in the fossil record was the norm and not the exception. And that's what they're finding. So large, small, across taxa. So many different taxa are producing these. So yeah, I think the sky's the limit. I can't wait to try to get some Stegosaurus bones. That one's never been done before. And so there's tons of work to do, and we need helpers. So if you want to volunteer with District, come on in.
This is incredibly, incredibly exciting.